Hello guys, I just found my old quadcopter. It's a Quanum Nova. It's from year 2014. So this is a very old quadcopter. It's 3 years ago. I will try to fly this quadcopter, but first I have to check all the antenna connection and the battery, of course, and the propeller. You can see this. The propeller is a crash mark. All of this propeller. So I have to make these propellers balanced again. I don't know, but I hope it can fly. Yeah, because if I buy this, I have to wait about a week for the arrival of these propellers. I hope this can be flying nicely. And this is the GPS. The cover is missing. I don't know where. You can find this. The battery. I hope the battery still working. So I will charge. It's a fat. The battery is pregnant. But I hope it can work. And then yeah, all still on its place, and the remote control yeah, the missing button is an old. The antenna. This Quanum Nova using 2.4 GHz frequency. Yeah, because I just put batteries. So I just remove all the screw and the propeller. It's ready to open. Let's see what's inside. How's the condition? Okay. The first thing to check is the antenna for the 2.4 GHz controller. This is the antenna, and it's connected to this circuit. Okay, to this circuit, and this is the Quanum Nova multi-rotor flight controller. Also, it has a GPS function to the top side of this quadcopter. And let's check everything should be okay before fly. This is the USB for programming. Let's see. Okay, the motor is still working good. It's a brushless motor. It has no frame. I think I can put the 450 frame here, maybe, I don't know, so it will be stronger. Okay, so let me check for a while for all this connection, because it had many time crash. I don't want any loose cable or anything for flight today, so I'll be back. Okay guys, now I'm going to fly this old quadcopter. Let's see if it can fly without any signal losing. Okay, so I guess the battery is off. Bye.